Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Halwadi Mufida. So today I will presented about part 1 getting ready. Okay. Next. First is introducing teaching principles. Uh, This slide describes three areas of knowledge that should complement and inform reflection. Namely, first is learning theories, second is teaching approaches, and the third is classroom techniques. Okay, the first is learning theories. Learning theories, for example, is cognitives. Function defines how people learn. Okay, the second is teaching a process. For example, is collaborative learning, and function is developed based on learning theory. Okay, the last one is classroom techniques. For example, is problem solving task, and function is used to put learning theories and teaching approaches into practice. Okay, next is key learning theory. Okay, this slide presents four main learning theories that are fundamental to education. Okay, the first is behaviorism, a theory that focuses on observable behavioral change, emphasizes stimulus and response in the learning process. Okay, the second is cognitivism, a theory that focuses on mental process and understanding, emphasizes how information is processed, stored, and used. Okay, the third is constructivism. Constructivism, a theory that emphasizes that learners construct their own knowledge, focus on active experience and constructions of meaning. And the last one is connectivism. A more modern learning theory emphasizes learning through networks and connections, especially in the digital age. Okay, next is second language acquisition. Okay, this slide discussion the input hypothesis in the context of second language acquisition, mentioning three important hypotheses. Okay, the first is interaction hypothesis, developed by Michael Long, emphasizes the importance of interaction in language learning. Okay, the second is output hypothesis, proposed by Meryl Swing, focuses on the importance of language production output in learning. And the third one is uh, noticing hypothesis, development by Richard Smith, emphasizes the importance of noticing in the language learning process. Okay, the next slide is connection between learning theories, teaching approaches, and classroom technique use. Okay, this slide explains the relationships and interrelationships between three key components in education. First is learning theories, focus how students best learn. Okay, the second is teaching approaches, focus how students are best taught. And the third one is and the last one is classroom techniques. Focus how pedagogy can help learning happen. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.